Hi everyone! Welcome back to Vivid Yarn Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a cluster stitch, a beautiful and textured stitch that's perfect for adding some flair to your projects like blankets, scarves, and more. Let's get started. Materials needed: yarn of your choice, crochet hook suitable for your yarn, scissors, yarn needle for weaving in ends. Step 1. What is a cluster stitch? A cluster stitch is a group of incomplete double crochets or other stitches worked into the same stitch or space, then joined together at the top. This creates a lovely puffed texture. Start with a foundation chain. I'll chain 16 for this demo. Start by making a slip knot and chain any multiple that works for your project. For demonstration purposes, I'll chain 16. Row 2. Bases for the first row of clusters. Skip 1 and make single crochet into the second chain. Chain 1. Skip 1 and again single crochet, chain 1. Continue the same pattern across the row. Single crochet into the second chain and chain 1. In the last chain, we finish with single crochet. Row 3, first row of cluster. Chain 2 and turn your work. Now we'll begin the first row of clusters. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain opening, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook this time. Yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same chain space. Yarn over and pull through 2. You have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through all of them. This is your first cluster. Then chain 1 and let's make another cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next space where you want your cluster. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on your hook. This is a partial double crochet. Repeat partial double crochet 2 more times into the same space. You should have 4 loops on your hook at the end. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. This completes your cluster stitch. Chain 1 to close the cluster and create space before the next stitch. Let's practice across the row. At the last stitch, chain double crochet. Row No. 4, chain 1 and turn your work. Make a single crochet into the space between the clusters. Chain 1. Continue across the row. Single crochet, chain 1. We are working the base for the next row of clusters. Basically, this is a repeating pattern all over. Chain 2 and turn your work. We're going to work the clusters of 3 incomplete double crochet into the spaces. Yarn over, insert your hook into the space. Yarn over and pull through 2. Second time, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space and pull through 2. You have 3 loops on your hook now. And third time, insert the hook into same space, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through all to close the clusters stitch. Chain 1. And continue cluster stitches into the openings all across the row. Chain 1 between them. Keep practicing, and that's how you crochet a cluster stitch. Repeating rows of basics with single crochet, chain 1 to create the spaces for the next row of clusters. Keep your tension even for consistent clusters. You can adjust the number of partial double crochets per cluster for different textures. Try 2 or 4 loops instead of 3. Clusters can be made with other stitches like half double crochet or treble crochet for variety. It's a fantastic way to add texture and interest to your crochet projects. And that's how you crochet a cluster stitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Happy crocheting!